How to turn on Add Line Friends as contact on Line app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you add Line Friends as contact on Line app. To enable this feature, you have to follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update your application. So to go to Play Store or an App Store, on the search box type in Line, and here you could check for an update. After completely updating the application, click the open button and then log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. On this page, click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. While you're on this section, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to go to the Google Assistant section. As you press on it, you could find the option is Add Line Friends as Contact. Make sure to toggle the button so that you go ahead and enable it or turn it on. Now click on Add to Contact. Here you have to go ahead and enable all sort of permissions. Once you've done it so, you'll have successfully turned on Add Line Friends as a Contact on Line app. So that's the way you do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.